I'm supposed to be with us soon, kaya lang naiwan siya ng bahay. Naglalaro kasi ng GoPro? Naglalaro kasi ng Pokemon. So ayun, kakalaro ng Pokemon, akala ko nasa likod ko, wala pala, nakasakay na ako ng bus. Ayun, naiwan siya yun. So hintayin ko siya dito sa interchange. Punta kami ng Sentosa, wala lang, para lang may mapuntahan. Okay, sige, I'll bring you with me.
Few inches later.
Pink na pink. Pink. Hello there, lovely people! Welcome to my channel. My name is Eve and this is Asun. Nakakatawang nyari. So we're here at Siloso Beach in Sentosa. It's such a lovely day, clear sky. Maybe I will go and check the water later.
Few inches later.
Oh naku, we're not allowed to play.
Huh?
We're not allowed to play.
Sorry, they are not allowed to fly during Sentosa.
Okay.
Yeah, the entire Sentosa is
Not allowed.
not allowed to fly during here.
We're sorry about that. Beach patrol. So there you go. We tried to fly drone in Sentosa and bam, we're not allowed to fly drone in Sentosa. However, we were able to get some clips, which is very nice. And that's it. If you come to Singapore and if you go to Sentosa, you're not allowed to fly drone ever.
Siyempre, ninervyos kami after kaming sabihan ng patrol na hindi kami pwedeng maglaro ng drone. So, we went ahead and tried to bring down Mavic, pero it's failed dahil ang landing area namin was under the coconut tree, kaya nahirapan ng Mavic to get the GPS. So, again, we soon tried and it was successful at the end. And we went ahead to Palawan Beach and continue our journey. Next, journey talaga.
Nakakalaro ka naman tong baging na ite, natulay.
For some reason, this is the only clip we got because maybe we pressed something in the remote control and drone stopped recording. I'm sorry about that. Better luck next time. So for now, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!